with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. I hope you guys are having a nice Tuesday. This is going to be my watch list for Wednesday, November 15th, 2017. Bulls to the Wall Trading is a channel I created in order for me to share my experiences and just share my knowledge in the stock market. I am not a financial planner. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. Everything that I discuss here is just my opinion, and by no means does it mean that you have to do everything that I say. It's just my opinion, what works for me, and it does not mean that it's going to work for you. I am a momentum trader, so if you're interested in learning how to trade momentum, then I suggest you watch my videos and just keep up with my videos, because I like to think I do a good job, and maybe if there's something you want to see, or if you're confused about something, you can always leave me a comment and I'll make a video, or just reply to your comment and answer your questions. I do want to let you guys know that I do have I have a Twitter account. My handle is @Bulls to the Wall. You can see it right here. And I just come on here every morning and I give you guys an update as to what I'm looking at, and a little recap as to what worked out and what didn't work out. And I also have a chat room, which is the Bulls to the Wall Trading chat room through the Discord app. I'll leave the description or the link to this chat room in the description of the video. You can get it on your cell phone through the App Store, or you can download it to your computer. And today, I was talking to Ash and DK, so just helping everybody out. That's what we're doing here. I was calling out things that I was seeing and helping these guys out. So if you want to join this chat room and so like right here, Mosi moving up, Mosi for the win, just calling out what I see and answering these guys' questions and helping them out. So shout out to those guys that are participating in the chat room. And if you feel that you want to join this and ask questions and participate, by all means, we welcome you. And again, the link will be in the description of the video, so feel free to join. All right, with that being said, let's do this watch list. So not really much that caught my eye, only a couple. So let's get into it. So the first one is SSKN. We identify the high point, which is at 170, and we draw our resistance line. And again, we are momentum traders, so we identify the high of the day, or the pre-market high or intraday high, and we just want the price to start moving up with good volume, and we wanted to cross the price. We wanted to cross the line that we drew and for it to keep going up. So 170 is the high of the day, so that's where we draw the line. Next one on the list, WPRT. This one moved up after the market closed. It looks kind of crappy, but I like the fact that it moved up after the market closed, so we're hoping that it can stay around here, that 320-ish mark. MBII, this one's at 123, right there, and it looks like I have a previous resistance at 135. FRED, this is an old line, so let me move that, and the new high of the day is at 516. Again, chart doesn't look all that great, but what we're doing right now is just identifying potential. OSN, this one's clearly at 361. You guys can see it right there. No need for me to change anything. RLOG, this one, if you guys can see here, level 2 is moving, or it was just now. I'm sorry, time and sales, sorry. So unless I'm going crazy, I thought I just saw it move. Alright, maybe I am going crazy. But it's getting a lot of action after the market closed. So, oh yeah, it is moving. So yeah, it's getting a lot of action even after the market closed, and you can see right now it's selling, it's buying. So this one's getting a lot of attention right now, and you could tell, it went from 70 cents to $1.19. So it's getting a lot of love right now. So I definitely want to keep an eye on this one tomorrow. It came down and now it's looking like it's about to come right back up. But we have to see what happens tomorrow. So this one was a good stock. I think last week it had a great run. So this one's probably my favorite right now. But again, we never know what's going to happen. The next one, CASI at $3.18. ITUS at $3.56. MARK at $5.10. CCCL at $3.60. And MOSY, I have it at $2 because that's a whole dollar amount. I don't have it at $1.95, I have it at $2. So you guys can decide if you want to put your line at $1.95 or $2. I would rather play it above $2. MOSY was a big winner for the day. Let me explain this trade so you guys can see how momentum works if you're a new viewer. So I found this one in the morning using my morning scanner. So what we do is we identify the pre-market high, which is this shaded area here. So if we were following this, let me zoom in a little bit more. If we were following this shaded area, we would identify that the high point is right here, right here. So I would draw my line right there at around 151. All right. So my idea was, or the idea for momentum trading is when the price crosses that line, you want to get in and with good volume, which it definitely had good volume. You want to get in at the break above that line that you drew, and you want to ride the wave that goes up. So right there you see it, the market opened, it dipped down, it started coming up, and as soon as they cross it, you could have bought in at actually it's not 151, sorry, the line is at 160, 162. So you could have gone in at 162, 163, 164, wherever you felt comfortable, and rode this all the way up to, wherever you wanted to get out or wherever you felt comfortable. But that's what momentum's all about. I got in at 163, I believe, or 164, and I got out on this candle. I don't remember where, but I know I made a pretty good little profit in just a matter of minutes, if not seconds. It was really, really quickly. But that's what momentum is all about. So let me delete this line that I just drew. Alright, so basically what I do with these stocks that I just went over is I open my laptop in the morning and I look at these stocks and I sort them by volume, how I have them now, and I just focus on high volume stocks and the chart. So just because I have these on right now does not mean they're going to be good for tomorrow. It all depends how they come out of the gate tomorrow and how they look in the pre-market. I also have a morning scanner and I do the same thing. I sort them by volume and I pick high volume stocks that have a good looking chart. Out of all those stocks, I pick 4 to 6 that are my favorite, and I just focus solely on those. And that's what works for me. That's what I like to do. So there's no reason for me to change that. That about wraps up this video. I really don't have nothing else to say. I do want to give a shout out to everybody that's been supporting my channel, my YouTube channel, subscribing, leaving me comments, adding me on Twitter, adding me on Instagram. Big shout out to the guys in the chat room. If you guys are learning, then it makes everything that I'm doing worthwhile. So anytime that you can give me a thumbs up, or just, even if it's just 2 words, thank you, or just something that makes it worthwhile for me, please go ahead and do that. I appreciate that. With all that being said, guys, have a good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.